their names from IPL 2020 due to personal reasons. However, Mumbai Indians got a huge blow as well because of Lasith Malinga's withdrawal from IPL due to personal reasons. We have seen some thrilling matches in the last year's IPL seasons, and I hope that we will see some high quality thrilling matches in this year's IPL as well. While looking at Hardik Pandya, he will be also returning to cricket after 8 or 9 months due to a back surgery in October last year. It will also mark the return of cricket to India. Let's take a look at the squads of both the teams. MI squad: Rohit Sharma, Aditya Tare, Anmolpreet Singh, Ankur Roy, Dhaval Kulkarni, Hardik Pandya, Ishan Kishan, Jasprit Bumrah, Krunal Pandya, Mitchell McClenagh, Quinton de Kock, Rahul Chahar, Sherfin Redford, Suryakumar Yadav, Trent Bolt, Chris Lynn, Nathan Coulter, Saurabh Tiwari, Mohsin Khan, Prince Balwant Roy and James Pattinson. To be honest, MI squad looks great enough to get their 5th title this year itself. They have quality youngsters as well. They have the destruction powers. They have a good bowling attack as well. They have a solid top order with the likes of Rohit Sharma, Quinton de Kock and Suryakumar Yadav. Now we can take a look at the CSK squad. MS Dhoni, Ambati Rayudu, KM Asif, Devak Chahar, Dwayne Bravo, Faf du Plessis, Imran Tahir, Narayan Jagadeeshan, Khan Sharma, Kedar Jadhav, Lungi Negede, Mitchell Sanna, Monu Kumar, Murli Vijay, Shane Watson, Shardul Thakur, Sam Curran, Piyush Chawla, Josh Hazelwood and R.C. Kishore. Looking at CSK, they will be a bit disappointed to not have the likes of Raina and Harbhajan Singh. It is expected that Piyush Chawla, the new income for CSK, and MS Dhoni will fill up the shows respectively for the team. For the pitch report in Abu Dhabi Cricket Stadium, the longest boundary is 77 kilometers long, and also the breeze is heading towards the direction as well. The pass score at this venue is 167. Kevin Peterson has told that the pitch is covered, and I think so that the team that have a disciplined spin attack will probably win the match. Coming back, there is just minutes away from the mega toss. For the toss, as you all wish, Tala Dhoni won the toss and elected to bowl first against a mighty MI batting lineup. Both the openers, Rohit Sharma and Quinton de Kock, are ready to open for MI. Before telling the extended review, I will just tell the 11 of both the teams. Mumbai Indians 11. Rohit Sharma, Quinton de Kock, Suryakumar Yadav, Saurabh Tiwari, Krunal Pandya, Kieron Pollard, Hardik Pandya, James Pattinson, Rahul Chahar, Jasprit Bumrah and Trent Bolt. Chennai Super Kings 11. Murli Vijay, Shane Watson, Faf du Plessis, Ambati Rayudu, Kedar Jadhav, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Ravindra Jadeja, Sam Curran, Devak Chahar, Piyush Chawla and Lungi Negede. It is going to be a fantastic match to kickstart the 13th edition of IPL. So Rohit Sharma and Quinton de Kock are there in the crease while MS Dhoni and his Cubs are taking their positions. Deepak Chahar will start the proceedings. Deepak Chahar to Rohit Sharma, first ball, 4. What a shot for Rohit for Mumbai and for the Dream 11 IPL. On the middle, Rohit just drives it beautifully for a boundary. Second ball, Chahar to Rohit, this time on the stumps, which Rohit guides it carefully for a single. Third ball, Chahar to de Kock, straight on the middle. De Kock looks to drive it but did not get the timing. Murli Vijay misfields and thus the batsman take 2. Fourth ball, beautiful bowling by Deepak Chahar. This time a outswinger which Rohit nearly edged it but was fortunate not to edge the ball. And fifth ball, beautiful shot on the patch. De Kock just lovely whips it for a boundary. Sixth ball, again brilliant bowling by De Kock, a outswinger to De Kock, which De Kock tries to cuts the ball but misses completely. And Sam Curran to bowl the second over. First ball to Quinton de Kock, dot ball. Second ball, dot ball. Third ball, de Kock guides it for a single. Fourth ball, Sam Curran to Rohit Sharma, wide ball away from Sharma as he reaches for it and drives it for a boundary. Fifth ball, Sam Curran to Rohit guides it for a single. Sixth ball, Curran to de Kock again guides it for a single. 19 for no loss after 2. The third over to be bowled by Deepak Chahar. First ball to Deepak, hits it for a single. Second ball, Deepak to Rohit Sharma, dot ball. Third ball, misses it completely. Fourth ball, Chahar to Rohit, full ball. Rohit drives it, but a diving Faf cuts it for a single. Fifth ball, Chahar to Deepak, 4. Short ball on off, which was pulled away by Deepak for a boundary. Good shot. Sixth ball, Chahar to Deepak, drives it again, but this time Sam Curran put a good hand on it to restrict for 2. Fourth over to be bowled by Lungi Negedi. First ball to Rohit, guides it for a single. Second ball to Deepak. Wow, what a shot! What a shot! On the middle, and Deepak just lofts it straight down the track for a boundary. Third ball, Deepak this time advances and looks to heave. He does not get it completely, but gets enough to get over the top of the fielder. The batsman comfortably take 2. Fourth ball, Negede to Cock. This time it's a beautiful delivery. Lungi Negede this time on the middle, swinging away from the batsman. Deepak still trying to hit it, but completely misses the ball. First ball, wow, again Cock is just troubling his former teammate. Short ball, Deepak pulls it for a boundary. End of the over. It has been an expensive over by Lungi Negede to start with, and also MI has got a good start. And the fifth over to be bowled by Piyush Chawla. First ball, Deepak tries to reverse sweep the ball but misses. Second ball, Cock this time drives it for a single. Third ball, out. Yes, Rohit is the first victim of Dream 11 IPL 2020. Piyush Chawla bowls a quicker delivery wide, which Rohit looks to drive but does not get it fully, where it reaches Sam Curran and takes a good catch. Fourth ball, Suryakumar Yadav is the new ban-in. Fourth ball to Suryakumar Yadav on the stumps, in which Yadav guides it for a single. Sixth ball, Chawla bowls a quicker delivery, which Deepak hits straight for a single. Sixth over to be bowled by Sam Curran. First ball to Deepak, out. Wow, first ball, youngster Curran removes the Proteas skipper. It was a ball to be hit and Deepak does it, but to his extreme despair, he found out the man Shane Watson. Deepak goes for a well-made 32. Second ball, Saurav Tiwari is the new man in. Second ball to Saurav Tiwari, blocks it right out the middle of the bat. It is a dot ball. Third ball on the pads, Tiwari guides it for a double. Fourth ball, Curran to Tiwari on the pads this time again, which Tiwari blocks it for a single. Fifth ball, single taken by Saurav Tiwari. Sixth ball, Suryakumar Yadav blocks it. 60 for the loss of 2 wickets at the end of 8 overs. Ninth over to be bowled by Sam Curran. First ball to Suryakumar Yadav, guides it for a single. Second ball to Tiwari, makes some room and guides it for a single. Third ball to Yadav, again full delivery, which Yadav guides it for a single. Fourth ball to Saurabh, single taken. Fifth ball to Suryakumar Yadav, cuts hard on that delivery, wide short ball, which Yadav cuts it hard for a boundary. Sixth ball, single taken. Ravindran Jadeja to continue the ninth over. First ball to Yadav, single taken. Good running. Second ball, wow! Saurav Tiwari just shifts his legs and heaves it for a mighty 6, and it also clears Faf du Plessis. Third ball to Saurabh, 2 runs. Fourth ball, again 4. Good shot again, cuts it for a boundary. Fifth ball, single taken. Sixth ball to Yadav, takes a single. MI have got to a good start here. At the end of 9 overs, MI has scored 83 for the loss of 2 wickets, with Tiwari at 21 and Suryakumar Yadav at 15. 10th over to be bowled by Piyush Chawla. First ball, wide delivery. Second ball, Good fielding by Jadeja. It was the Suryakumar Yadav hits it straight to Jadeja, which was going like a rocket, but Jadeja, as you all know, is a brilliant fielder and has blocked it. A dot ball. Third ball, Chawla to Yadav hits it down the track for a single. Fourth ball to Tiwari on the pads. Tiwari blocks it solidly. Fifth ball, Piyush Chawla again straight. Tiwari blocks it. Sixth ball to Tiwari. This time makes some room and hits a single. And also Tiwari has been looking good. He has scored 25 runs. He has scored 25 runs in something around 18 or 19 balls. And Ravindran Jadeja to bowl the 13th over. First ball, Tiwari on the stumps, guides it for a single. Second ball to Yadav, good shot ball. Suryakumar Yadav blocks it solidly. Third ball to Yadav, a spinning delivery which Yadav guides it for a single. Fourth ball to Tiwari, a full delivery, and Tiwari hits it straight, and the batsman take two. Fifth ball, Tiwari again full delivery. Tiwari pulls it for a single. Sixth ball to Yadav, white ball and needed to be reloaded. That sixth ball to Yadav, out, taken by Sam Curran. This time Yadav looks to loft it for a six, but unfortunately does not get the enough timing on it and is taken by Sam Curran. The score reads 92 for the loss of 3 wickets in 11 overs. 12th over to be bowled by Deepak Chahar. First ball, Tiwari hits it hard but finds the fielder. Hardik Pandya is the new man in. Second ball to Pandya on the stumps. Pandya blocks it for a dot ball. Third ball to Pandya, 6. Good shot on the stumps and Pandya hits it hardly for a 6. Fourth ball, 6. Again, good shot. Again 6. Back-to-back sixes by Hardik Pandya. It is 105 for the loss of 3 wickets in 12 overs. Negative to continue the 14th over. And at the end of the innings, Mumbai Indians were managed to score a partly 162 for the loss of 9 wickets in 20 overs. So that means CSK need to chase 163 to win the opening match of our 13th edition of Indian Premier League. If you're looking at MI's batting, I was rather disappointed in the middle overs where MI just kept on losing wickets, especially the wicket of Kieron Pollard and Hardik Pandya. Maybe just change the game for CSK. And if you're looking at Mumbai Indians, they will be pretty happy with some batsmen such as Saurav Tiwari making a mark, scoring 42 runs in 30 balls, and Quinton de Kock got off to a great start but just couldn't capitalize on that. 32 runs scored in just 17 deliveries. And if you're looking at the bowling stats, Logan Digiri came back very well, and then Deepak Chahar has also been a little bit expensive, but he has also taken wickets. But if you're looking at the spinners, they are fabulous, especially if you're looking with Piyush Chawla. He has been economical, he has taken wickets, and he has also given something around 12 or 13 dot balls to the team, and it's very much valuable, especially if you are playing a T20 cricket. So in the second side of the innings in which CSK will go on to bat, will CSK score 163 runs on the board, or will the defending champions Mumbai Indians steal their victory tonight? Let us see in my second video, so please stay tuned. And I say in the ending of every video, kindly like, share and subscribe the channel. And if you are seeing the channel for the first time, kindly like the video and also kindly subscribe the channel. And also when you are subscribing the channel, you will see a bell icon, and please click on it so that all the videos that I am putting on the YouTube, you will get as notifications. So thank you.